Welcome friends, Hindi class day 2. Today we will learn Hindi mantraएं. Mantraएं are the sound of symbols of vowels means swar, and in Hindi consonants the a mantra is already included. Only then that word is complete, like ka. What we taught ka and put a halant sign at the bottom here. This is sign of halant. It means that half ka will read it plus the mantra of a and make a complete ka. So let's start learn mantraएं, Hindi mantraएं. So guys, this is a vowel a, and this is mantra of a, symbols of a. E, this is mantra of E. E, big E. This is mantra of big E. Big E. This is small U. This spelling is U. And this is symbol of small U mantra. This is big U, and spelling is double O, and its symbol is like this. This is Re, R I, Re. This mantra is like this. A, 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 spelling is A, A. This mantra is like this. This is big I, I, A, I mantra is like this. This is symbol of I mantra. O, this is O, O spelling O. This symbol of O mantra. Next is Au, 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 and this is symbol of Au mantra. Ang, this is Ang. Its spelling is AN, Ang, and this is its symbol, Ang mantra. Aha, this is vowel of last vowel, aha, and its symbol is like this, aha. Learn how to. Now we are going to learn how to use it in a word. Okay. Let's start. Get one any consonants here. I write a cow plus a mantra. This is ka plus a mantra, and make a ka. Ka and a plus ka. Ka plus छोटी ई mantra. छोटी ई. This is छोटी symbol. This is symbol, and this is a ka. Make a kick. Kick. This is ka, and this is a badi E. Badi E, double E, spelling is and this is a K, and this is badi E matra. Make a key. K. This is symbol of chota U. Ku. Ku. K plus big U. K plus big U make a ku. K plus Ri mantra. Ri's mantra. K and this is Ri mantra. Make a Kri. Kri. K A mantra. K and A mantra. Make a K. K. This is K and put here I mantra. K plus I mantra. Kai. K plus mantra of O. K plus mantra of O make a ko. Ko. This is ko. K plus mantra of O and make a cow. 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 K and this is mantra of Ang. Ang. A-N. Its spelling is K and this is Ang mantra. Make a Kang. Kang. K mantra is Aha. K and Aha mantra make a Kaha. Kaha. I have to write here spelling. This is Ka. Ki. Ki. Cook. Ku. Kri. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kang. K-A-N. Kan. Kaha. H-A. This is Kaha. Okay, understand? Now we will make some words from the Hindi mantra and practice. So the first mantra of A. We are make with our A. Right here A. This is A. Ma. Am. Its spelling is double A-M. In English, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango means am. The second one is with mantra of A. Make a Ra, Ma. Ram. Spelling is RAM. 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 Ram is a lord of India. It's a lord's name. To write and read Hindi, it is important that you understand and vowel well and learn to read and write by combining both. Practice it. Very soon you will learn to read and write Hindi easily. So let's move on to the next mantra, which is a small e. So we can take a La. This is consonants La. Little e mantra Kha, Na plus A mantra. So start again. La, little e mantra Li. Kha, Na, A mantra Na, make Na, Likhana. Likhana, Likhana, Likhana means write, WRIT. Writing. We can write here, we have to write here write only. Sorry, write. Guys, next is big E. And take a word Pa. A की मात्रा Na. Big E mantra make का पानी, PAANI, पानी means WATER, water. And next is small U. Sa, put the small U mantra Ba, Ha, Subah, Subah. Sa plus little U mantra called Subah, Subah means MORNING, morning. So next one is big U. Bha, Bhalu. Lu, La plus mantra of big U make a Lu. Bhalu. Bhalu means bear, BEAR. So friends, for today we will tell these 5 Hindi mantras. We will practice the next Hindi mantras in the next video.